And for now, viewers, let's shift focus to news that is coming in from the national capital, where boycott election slogans were painted on the walls of Delhi University campus. Now, in the latest development, as we understand, the ABVP has filed a complaint and an FIR has been registered in this case.
Oh yes, and to take you through the latest on the current situation, while the slogans have been whitewashed now, my colleague Simran will join us in a short while to give us a sense of what it is like on the ground and whether the police is looking into the matter. But before that, we have some responses lined up. Let's listen in.
Night, a very unfortunate incident occurred at the Delhi University's North campus. Some anti-social and anti-democratic elements wrote "Long live Naxalbari, long live Marxism," as well as "boycott elections" on the walls of Shri Ram College of Commerce. As we all know that in India we are celebrating festival of democracy, that is elections, and India has maximum number of youth voters, and in Delhi University campus a large chunk of students are studying, and in the midst of these, some anti-social elements want that these youth don't exercise their voting rights. The moment Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad got to know about the incident, they immediately went to the local police station, that is Morris Nagar police station, and they lodged a complaint against the entire incident, and they demanded to paint those slogans as well as take strict action against the culprits.
Cutting across to Simran, who now joins us on the broadcast. Simran, the haters have begun peddling hate yet again, and that is the version coming in from the ABVP, who've also filed an FIR. Do tell us what the environment is like on the ground across campuses in DU, and how is the police now looking into the matter? Has DU itself also launched an investigation to find out who is behind all this?
Well, yes, as you have also rightly pointed out, the mood and the excitement ahead of the elections inside the Delhi University campus usually remains charged up. What remains to be seen as of now at the moment on the ground is the picture that I'm going to show you just here on the walls, which is a very key prominent road and situated just right in the front of the Faculty of Arts office. And this is the condition right now of the slogans that were painted yesterday evening, and the slogans which actually boycotted the course of elections and also took the call by a youth-based organization and a small group known as BSCEM, which took the responsibility of painting all these slogans, also mentioning Naxalbari and boycotting the election course, have surfaced. Now, after taking the cognizance of this entire issue, the Delhi University students, and specifically the Akhil Bharatiya Parishad, they actually went to the Morris Nagar police station and filed a complaint. Acting on the complaint, the Delhi police has registered 2 separate FIR in this incident, also lodging an investigation into the probe of why such kind of provocative and objectionable slogans in the North campus of the Delhi University were painted, and also what was the motive just a day before the election process and the festival of democracy has to begin in the national capital across the 7 seats. Now, to also give you a little perspective here, let me show you the entire road of the walls at the vast area which is behind a hostel situated in the Faculty of Arts region of the North campus, which is painted all with the white color because the intent was to remove it. And allegedly it was also said that such kind of slogans were also firstly put on the Instagram page by the BSCM group, and the slogans also actually recited the call for one solution, Naxalbari, and also boycott election and join new democratic revolution here on the walls of the Delhi University campus. The investigation has begun, and it remains to be seen and how the kind of purpose which actually gets surfaced after the police completes their thorough probe.